Today is day 292 of the year of streaming and learning to code. We are continuing on with the third project, Coin Toss. We have our example, which we are trying to mimic. And we have ours. There we go. Ta-da! Which is, well, she's a work in progress. Okay, so what do we need/want to do? We still need to set up the percentages. I think we can get rid of the sad dotted boxes. That was to help us sort of visualize what was happening as we were shifting things around via CSS last night. And we need to further improve and add to the functionality of our JavaScript stuff. What do we need to do exactly? Great question. Let's find out. So, blank slate. Statistically, which side of the coin is best? We need to add this little... Actually, we have that comment. Pick a side, heads or tails. Good, good. It's the comment this above overall win rate, the result. You picked blah, blah, blah. The coin landed on blank. We need to relay that data over to ours. In addition to our setup, let's go ahead and do view. JavaScript console. Ta-da! There we go. So, do heads and tails and heads and tails and heads and tails and blah, 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 blah. Fascinating. So we do have the data. We need to do stuff with that. Let's go ahead and read through. It's been a while. It's been a day or two since we've gone through the sort of specifics, the overall guidelines of what we're shooting for. So, coin toss. Ta-da! Allow the user to guess heads and tails. Tell them if they pick correctly. That's the little bit we need to add. That's what's missing. We've got overall win rate. We should probably add that next, maybe. And display statistics on their selections. Specifications. Your HTML page should include a button for heads and tails. We have those too. Two buttons. Not the prettiest of buttons, but a button nonetheless. The user should be able to select either heads or tails. When they click one of the buttons, you will display whether they selected correctly or not. Twice now, we've seen tell them that statement, so I'm definitely thinking yes. That's probably what will be our next course of action. If the user has played at least once, display their winning statistics. Oh, interesting. Well, one of the things that I was toying with was just the idea, see, when you show up to... Another thing that I noticed is the minor animations. Look at this. When you refresh the page, the text comes in and gets larger and then backs out. Look at that. And ta-da! Back to normal. In addition to that, the stats aren't displayed. But when you make a selection, stat board slides in and then changes as you do stuff. Cool, cool, cool. And then the chart, which is extra credit at the bottom, sort of a if there's time goal, we'll add that in. But I was thinking, since all the stats started at 0, just show the stat board at 0, like so. But it seems the instructions indicate that it is preferred or desired to have the stat board not display in the beginning and have it appear only once there are statistics. Interesting. We can do that. We can do that. Not a problem. Not a problem. So anyways, the head stats, tail stats, overall win rate. The hint is for how that's calculated. Nothing too grand there. And then extra credit, use Google Charts to display this. Use Google Charts to display the statistics in chart form, add animations, transitions when updating, showing, or hiding elements. All the little subtleties that we noticed here as we click on things and as they slide around and whatnot. So, we do have a ways to go. I think first things first, considering where we are, is to add in that sort of result statement, what we picked and what the coin has landed on. I think that will be a good thing to tackle. Now, how should we go about doing that? We will insert a div and blank. Overall stat. Yeah. Hey, you know what? I'm staring right at it as we're clicking it. Result. That's exactly what we're going to do. We will have our little result statement appear here. What do we want to call it? Result statement. There we go. Okay, and we will comment that out. Just because the empty lines in HTML throw me off. When it's empty like this, I just get confused. I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like I forgot to write something there. That's why we're doing comments. Oh, that is definitely not a comment. We are doing stuff. Command save. Alright. Next thing we don't... Yes. No. I'm trying to come to terms with the fact if I need CSS type stuff for this. I think I do because... I can't recall. I think it defaults to block display. So if I were to add in... was it a class or an ID? I think it was an ID. So, oh, there we go. Result. And I don't, even though eventually I want it to be DisplayNone, I don't want it technically at DisplayNone right now. Because I want to test it and make sure that I can see the fucking thing, right? Left. Damn, gotta work on that. So, let's go ahead. Anyways, I believe when it's not none, I think display's default is block, if I'm not mistaken. So, we're gonna do none for now, but we're gonna comment it out. And here, let's go and save. Right. What to do, what to do. Now, when we already have our random toss function, which gives us coin, which lets us know what it's fallen on, landed on. What side of the coin we've landed on. So now we need to take coin. We have our FlipCoin function, which compares. That's sort of giving us all of our stats with our if statements and whatnot. All this goodness. When we click on stuff, heads and tails, and times one only increases accordingly. Good, good, good. Refresh. So we want our win stat. It should appear at the top, which means it's occurring earlier and before the stats happen. Yeah, it's happening before our if statement. It is happening inside of our function, right? No. It should be tied to the event, the click event. So, see the click event down here, flip.for each function, button, event listener, click, and then FlipCoin runs. And all that goodness gets sorted out. So, once that runs, it needs to print it out. Crap, I need to create an element. I think I need to create an element. Maybe. Yeah. Wait. Damn. Who's on first? Div result paragraph. If I set it to none. What's the best way to do this? We brought in info with the span tags from JavaScript. Document get element by ID. Blah. Text content equals blank. Maybe I should just do the same thing. I should just do the same thing. So here, it will be result. Copy. God, I think it's going to be result. Yeah, it should be fine. So, to get our result statement right here, situated above overall win rate, we need to set ours just above that, right below the buttons. And we want it to appear when we click on the button. So again, this is our example project. Nothing's there until we click on a button. Then it shows up and it lets you know you picked heads. And it lets you know that the coin landed on whatever given side. So tails and blah, and it changes with each one. So that's something we need to factor in. Because the stats continue to grow and change with each click. The time selected, and only when the win increases. And these change as well with each click. So, let's see. Hey, Elliot Judd, how are you doing? Hopefully your day is going well. We were able to find time to do a shorter, well, it will be a shorter stream, but we were able to do an earlier stream today instead of one of our late night streams. Although last night was a fairly short stream, I think even today will probably be a short stream. And actually the next couple days. Elliot Judd, doing good. Awesome. How are you? We are doing quite well. As I was mentioning, the short stream last night and probably today, even the next couple days will be fairly short streams because we are going to TwitchCon. So we're going to have some obscure scheduling for our stream. We're going to do an early one today, and we will be doing a late... I think we're going to be doing a later stream tonight, but instead of a few minutes before midnight, it'll be a few minutes after midnight, so it counts for tomorrow. Yeah. Working that calendar schedule, so that way it qualifies. I'm not sure. Probably start 12:06-ish a.m. Just past. Because tomorrow's going to be a long day. And I don't know if I'm going to have it in me to stream after TwitchCon. It's just going to be 3 days of a lot of stuff. So anywho, that's what we've got on our books. Tiny Cat, you are blocking the bottom part of our code. We were so close to doing something. Right. So let's go ahead and take. We've got our div prepped, result, copy, and we want to push our thing to here. What to do. We don't want head selected. Now we want to give it the text that we want it to carry over, I believe. Now, you picked blah, blah, blah. You picked space, concatenate, coin? No, you picked side. Yes. God, I can't remember. It is side. Side is what they selected. Yeah, event target, content. Good. So you picked side and more concatenating, semicolon, space. Actually, I guess we can keep going in this one. I thought I would need to do another. The coin landed on blah. Concatenate and coin. I truly hope this works. So, let's go ahead and save. Cat, you are just completely in my field of view. Wow, you are... I see you. Clearly, you need someone to scratch you. I get that, but what if considering we have limited time to stream, what if you hung out over here, huh? Yeah, look at that. You got the whole bed to yourself? And it's a Thursday? You love Thursdays. Oh, you also love fingers. Yeah, look at that. Good cat. Alright. Good. Go be a feline over here. Good times. Now, we are looking for the following. Let's save and run. No, oh my god. Down, cat. Jesus. She's blocking the whole left side of the screen over here. Napping position. Better. At least we can see the monitor now. Something that run. Hey, escape key. Escape key, tiny cat. You weren't supposed. No, and the webcam. Jesus. This is all falling apart. Goddamn feline. Furry quadruped from hell. Okay, look. We're gonna run it. Refresh. Happy thoughts. Page has been refreshed. And we click on something. Oh, it works. Ah, look at that. Steven figured it out. No one thought I would, but I did. Look at that. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Even with you, little kitty, trying to destroy and sabotage the stream, I was able to piece this together. Yeah. We should do some CSS stuff. That way it kind of fits in with the rest of its friends, but we'll pull this off. Loving feeling. Troll cat. Oh, yes. She is good at it. She is overqualified at napping and trying to sabotage the stream. I'm pretty sure that's why Little Kitty was put on this planet. That is her purpose. Sleep and to destroy. Now, we are trying to... Here's our result stuff. Well, I guess it's not there. How come it's not there in the get? Oh, because it's housed within our if state, or within our function. So it won't even generate until we click on something. So I don't even need to set the display to none. That's cool. We can already get rid of this. That's awesome. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. I see you, tiny cat. I know. You're excited. Look, let me stream for like another 10 or 15 minutes, and then maybe, you know, we can not do anything over. We need to prep for TwitchCon. Yeah, we've got lots to do, so you're gonna be fine. You've got 3 days of hanging out by yourself. You're gonna be bitching. You can have the whole house and room. You can just nap. You can nap on the keyboard. You love napping on the keyboard. Alright, focus, Steven. Focus. The stream needs your attention just as much as Little Kitty. What are we doing? Ah, CSS stuff. Right. Now, sans serif. We want font style. Oh, no. Font family. I always forget that. Font family. Wow, cat. You're right there. You keep rolling around for attention. I'm not even gonna look at you. Don't you push that off the desk. Oh my... Hey, holy shit. Cat. You're so ridiculous. And serif. And... thing down. We didn't save. Now we saved. Rushing. Good. Dee 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 lie da die 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 dee 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 dee. Typical. Let's go ahead. You know what I realized? We can simply set results right over here. If we cut that, we don't even need to give it its own section because it's going to share the same attributes as paragraph. Right? Exactly. Now. Oh god. Hold on. Steven Schultz, 7. Oh, yeah, that's right. Little kitty. She's been napping fiasco. Holy hell, cat. Oh my god. Let me just... What did you do to the camera? This is what I'm dealing with. Yeah, that's... Sweet baby Jesus. Okay. This is her. This is currently what I'm dealing with right now. That's... Yeah, just on the keyboard. Hey. No. Cat. No. This is why it's so difficult. Oh, God. Yeah, are we... So, look, that's just... She's ridiculous. This is why I'm struggling. I mean, that and I'm completely inept, but aside from the ineptitude, it's the cat. She's a damn nightmare. Alright, thank you for the, camera, suggestion. And also, bad little kitty. Sleeping in the hall for 4 days. What are we doing with the CSS stuff? We were starting to make progress. We were able to birth our results statement. Now we are chipping away at turning it into something slightly less hilarious looking. So let's save and refresh. Good, good, good. Now, I don't think we need it bolded. Or, if we do have it bolded, maybe we can italicize it. Or to slim it down, give it some character, a little more distinct. Font. Style. Italic. Okay. Save, save, save. Refreshing. Good. Alright, I can, so what if it wasn't bold? What if it wasn't bold? Oh. We can just comment that out. Oh, it changes Uratang. No, no. Bad, bad. Results would need to be in its own window. We'll live. We'll manage. We can fine-tune and polish later. This is just getting things up and running. So, the green, red, and blue boxes were helpful for yesterday. Separating them and trying to organize things, but now it's just... It's a bit nauseating as I'm looking at them. It's like really bad 3D goggles. Like the kind you get attached to your big gulp cup at 7-Eleven. Yeah, that you have to peel up. No, we're just, it's tragic. So let's get rid of those. Where did I... Ah, there it was. Command... blah, and... blank, and... blah. Beautiful. Fresh. Much better, much better. And we select stuff. So cool. Look at this. It's working. Dance statistics. Dance. I control you. Okay, so let's go ahead and do what else can we adjust before we power down the stream. Let's shoot for 1 or 2 more things, maybe. Or do we just call it quits? We will be streaming again later tonight. Tough call. Tough call. Little kitty, what do you think? Sucking on your toes? That is an interesting choice. Not really something that we're gonna join you with on stream. But maybe we can do something that's a bit more productive regarding our project here. Let's see. I could have sworn there was more. You know what? Let's save the statistic. No, we can do the percentages. We're going to do the percentages. So, win rate. That will equal, heads 1, copy, divided by... Wow, you're really going for it, cat. You are totally in a ball, licking different parts of your body. Apparently it's bath time. We didn't get the memo. Yes. Refresh. Oh dear lord. No, no, no. Hold on. Oh, we still need to put in win rate somewhere. That's totally right. Well, we want win rate to appear somewhere. Copy and blah. Where would we put win rate? I kind of want to put it after all the if statements. Is that weird? I think it's weird. I mean, it could be a little weird. For each blah blah blah, all of that happens. I think we'll be fine. I think we'll be fine. Tiny cat, you're blocking things. Thank you. We'll miss you, little kitty. We'll miss you. Okay. Where to put win rate in our code? See? There's Topher's code is awesome. Because all the stats are gone in the beginning. We click on it, everything falls into place, and it does all of the calculations immediately. We click on it here, 0, that doesn't change. We click on it again, that changes, and that changes simultaneously. And win rate changes with each selection. So how do we want to go about that? Oh, look who's back. Tiny Cat, we're so close to piecing this together. Maybe we should save this for afterwards. After being later tonight. Hey, go be a cat over here. Why are you so furry, cat? Why are you so confused? And determined. So needlessly determined. Average win rate. No, not average win. Yes. No. Wait. Fuck. It's this again. We're gonna need to do this. Document blah. Copy. It's going to go in, and it will be our span ID that we set up. Heads win rate. That makes sense. That's what we were missing. So there's that, and heads win rate will be heads 1 divided by that, and then, what, some percentage, right? Times, like, times 100? Should I throw that in parentheses now, or wait? Maybe I should do the conversion. No, I'd have to do the percentage conversion over here. It'll be good. It'll be good. And save. Everything's going to be great. Falling on our face is expected. The joy of learning. Hey, Zero Love. How you doing? We are close, at least I hope we're close, to trying to end the stream. We've been having a couple short streams lately as we head into TwitchCon. We've got a couple days of short streams, so let's see. Heads. Oh, dear lord, that is trash. Oh, we should do... Is this where we need parse int to force it to be a number? Maybe that's crazy talk. That could be crazy talk. Parse int? Is that a thing? Don't people do that? And we should also have a stray 0 in place as well. 0.00 percentage. Save. Zero Love, what's the problem? We are trying to set up the win rate, stat and pull that in and have that set. So that's what we're piecing together right now. At least we're trying to piece it together as quickly as possible before we head out of here. Hey, Mr. Demon Wolf. And hosting us. Very kind. Lurk mode. Awesome. Love it. Good to have you, Mr. Demon Wolf. Although, again, I say we're trying to end the stream soon. It's starting to become longer and longer as we fall into the depths of confusion. What were we doing? We need to save and refresh our code. Look at that. So we've got the 0 now. And we'll add the 0 when we start to prep the following one, but right now... Oh. Where is... We don't have a heads title. I guess that could be kind of confusing. This has a head stat section. That makes sense. But ours is just a board of statistics. The only way we could differentiate before... Oh, that makes sense. It was because we had the borders... Alright, well fine, we'll put the borders back, damn it. We'll put the borders back. Okay. Save. Refresh. The hilarious dotted boxes. Good, good, good. So, from here, refresh, save. Command save. And saving here. You get a save. You get a save. Everyone gets a save. Beautiful, beautiful. Refreshing and... Oh god, we pissed him off. Uncaught reference error. Line 19. Parse int not defined. Your mother's not defined. Damn, damn, damn. Okay, so parse int doesn't work that way. Does it need to be lowercase? Is that my issue? JavaScript. Parse int. I need a number. Or a decimal. Maybe. Oh! I can just tell it to be a number, too. Isn't that a thing? Parse int. That's stray capital P. That. And although I'm still not sure that's going to give me exactly what I wanted. What to do? What to do? Refresh. The walls are closing in around us. Everything about this is wrong. What if we did one at a time? Would that be weird? Or maybe I need to put win rate in as a parse int. Because these are already numbers. These are just digits and things. Maybe that's our issue. Maybe I'm going about this all wrong. Typical. Typical. We're gonna leave that for now, and we're gonna take this. Copy. And put that here. Maybe they'll be happier with that. So, blank divided by blah. And you know what? We can even leave it in parentheses. Gray parentheses. Save, save, save. And we're refreshing. Okay, the anger has left the building. Cool. The scary red error messages are gone. That's kind of comforting. Let's click. They're back. God damn. But at least they're on different lines. Line 49. Uncaught reference. Parse int is not defined. I'm parse inting wrong. It's me. I'm the problem. I am indeed the issue. The code is fine. Steven's the problem. Damn, damn, damn. Save. Well, when it's here, it returns non. Death. And we want 0. We'll get there. Ah. Hey, a number theorist. Typo. Wait, really? Did I parse wrong? Really? I mean, that's entirely plausible. Oh, me silly. Cross the face. A number theorist is right. Rookie move. Rookie move, Steven. Oh, and it changes to a friendly shade of slightly teal. Neat. Okay, good. Good to know. Number theorist, you had parse or passery int instead of parse int. Noted. Maybe this will be fine up here. And holy crap, lost track of it. Did we already clear it out? We did clear it out down here. Save. I'm pretty sure we should drop parse int down there, but let's see what we get when we run it up top. Still not a number, but at least they're not angry at us anymore, so that's nice. So let's get rid of this. Followed by mashing parse int onto the front of this. Good, good, good. Command save and refresh. And we're running. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. I wonder if that's even what I need. Don't mind me. Think amongst yourselves. Alright, crisis averted. Death, death, death. Okay, so, continuing on briefly with the little time we have left. What to do? What if I changed it to... What would it be? Make sure I'm not crazy. Let's do... 37 divided by... 71. Will that actually return a number down here without parse int? I would hope it would. Save. Aha! See, it does. It works. Now, what's the issue with that, though? Maybe I need to parse int separately. Isn't that what parse int does, is take something and make it a number? I must be using it incorrectly. A number theorist. I think the heads win rate, heads 1 divided by head selection, should be below the if statement. Oh. Like, in general? Like all of, like the whole, the variable as a whole? I suppose it should be. I thought by having heads win rate, the variable below... Oh, not the variable. Well, maybe that's my issue. Maybe it's because I don't have the variable below. I figured since I was calling it later after the if statement, I guess that's what it was. Since I was implementing it after the if statement, that everything would just sort of fall into place. Oh, crap. 0, love. Maybe you're dividing by a 0. Sackash. Bag of dick tips. Okay, alright. 0, love. Fine. Be that guy. Damn. Okay. When you put up the formula up there, you're using other variables when they're set to 0. Okay, yes, good. So I should move the stuff then. So it's totally fine that it is copy heads 1, because these are just regular digits, you know, numbers. There's nothing crazy about them. Copy. It's not like I'm taking a string that's 0 and trying to divide by a number as well. So I don't believe I'll need parse int copy. That's what I was trying to determine. Wait a second, hold on. Why was it... Oh, because I was giving it numbers 37 and 71, not 0. Okay. Yeah, so I need to move this whole party elsewhere. Cut. And place that... Which line should I be adding this towards? You can have the variable declared up there with the other ones, but heads win rate equals divided by 1 heads line should be below the if statement. Am I still within the if statement even in this range? Perhaps I am. Tiny cat. Elsewhere. Thank you. I would say placing the formula to the line just above where you use it. Okay, alright. Hey, princess? No, look, I've got like 6 minutes, and I'm already... It's unfortunate. I'm coming to terms with the fact that I'm probably not bright enough to figure this out within the few minutes that I have left to stream successfully. You're so furry. I love you, but we'll talk later. Good. So, I have a sneaking suspicion, a hunch that this is going to be tonight's stream. Technically tomorrow's stream, but like 12:06 a.m. since we're trying to do the stream later/earlier before TwitchCon. So, wow, you're right here. Okay. Hey, cat, no. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Alright, happy thoughts. So, number theorist. You get a variable declared up there, declaring the variable. Why are you back again, cat? Why are you so involved? Copy. Cut. No, just copy. This gets cut. Yeah. And then no. That's... We see you. You're there. You're white. You're not sneaky. You stand out. Okay, so... Here, we can do heads win rate. Can I just put this in, like, parentheses? Would that be wrong? God, I hope that's cool. I think that's gonna piss a lot of people off. This is my last wish. Man save. Big money, big money. Heads. Hey! It's a 0 now! Cool! It worked! Neat! Hey, Yuri 5ware. I see that we're still on coin toss. Yes. We are trying to make as much progress as we can with these short streams we're trying to juggle with TwitchCon around the corner. Put that in the line above. Oh. Copy. There we go. And then we can just call accordingly. Heads win rate. Clever. Like that. That's a lot less hilarious. Good, good. So... dee-da-dee-dee-da-dee-da-dee, lie-da-die-die-da-da-da-die, dee-da-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Now what? Now what? We are saving, and we are refreshing. So we've got our percentage sign there. That's sort of our placeholder in HTML, which really doesn't count, because that's just masquerading around as a placeholder. But here, when we refresh it, or not refresh it, when we go to make a selection, boom, ta-da, 1, 1, and we should times that by 100 and add a percentage sign. So that's what we'll need. That is what we will need. But we can, you know what, we're going to save that little bit. At least we made it that far. I'm going to count that as a win. So we're going to go ahead and save our progress. And we will bring day 292 to a close. Save. Alright, but now we still need to commit and push via GitHub. Let's crack that open. Desktop app. Firing up. OBS. Reveal. Beautiful. Good, good, good. What did we do? Today we did CSS stuff. And JavaScript and JavaScript percentages. Yeah, that's exactly what happened in a nutshell. Commit to master, push, hanging on, resolving details. Good, good, good. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's close out of that. Get rid of this and verify that everything successfully went to GitHub. Coin toss, and ta-da, 29 seconds ago. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, thank you again To anyone and everyone who stopped by to view today's stream and or help out with tips, tricks, advice, and whatever kinds of clever stuff you had to offer. Today we had Elliot Judd, Love Feelings, Stephen Scholes, 7, Zero Love, Mr. Demon Wolf, a number theorist, and Yuri Fiveware. Good times, good times. Awesome. Let's go ahead and stop the stream. Day 292 comes to an end. However, the adventure continues tomorrow with day 293 of the year of streaming and learning to code. In the meantime, are you sure you want to stop the stream? Hell yeah. Kill it!